Get your heart pumping. Understanding cardio workouts. Cardio workouts are essential for maintaining a healthy heart and overall well-being. They are exercises that get your heart rate up and make you breathe harder, which is crucial for cardiovascular health. Cardio workouts are exercises that get your heart rate up. They make you breathe harder. These exercises can range from high-intensity interval training, HIIT, to more moderate activities like brisk walking or cycling. The key is to find what works best for you and your fitness level. This is good for your body. Cardio is short for cardiovascular. It involves activities that increase your heart rate and improve the efficiency of your cardiovascular system. This means it helps your heart and blood vessels work better. This means it involves your heart and blood vessels. When you do cardio, your heart pumps blood faster. This increased blood flow delivers more oxygen to your muscles, which helps them perform better and recover faster. This delivers oxygen to your muscles more efficiently. Regular cardio workouts strengthen your heart and lungs. Over time, this can lead to improved endurance, better energy levels, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Cardio is an important part of a healthy lifestyle. It's recommended for people of all ages and fitness levels. Whether you're young or old, a beginner or an experienced athlete, incorporating cardio into your routine can have significant health benefits. You can choose activities you enjoy. From running and swimming to dancing and cycling, there are countless ways to get your heart pumping. The most important thing is to stay consistent and make cardio a regular part of your fitness regimen. A healthy heart. The cardio connection. Cardio workouts are incredibly beneficial for your heart health. They help lower your risk of heart disease. This is the leading cause of death worldwide. Cardio helps lower your blood pressure. It also improves cholesterol levels. Cardio helps regulate blood sugar. All these factors contribute to a healthier heart. Regular cardio strengthens your heart muscle. It improves the efficiency of your circulatory system. This means your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood. Beyond the beat more benefits of cardio, cardio workouts offer more than just heart health benefits. They help with weight management. Cardio burns calories. This helps you lose or maintain a healthy weight. Cardio is a great stress reliever. It improves your mood. Exercise releases endorphins. These are natural mood boosters. Cardio can also improve sleep quality. Regular exercise can help you fall asleep faster. It can also help you stay asleep longer. Section 4. Cardio variety. Finding your fit. There are many different types of cardio workouts. You can find one you enjoy. Running is a popular choice. It can be done outdoors or on a treadmill. Cycling is another great option. You can use a stationary bike or cycle outdoors. Swimming is a low-impact cardio workout. It's easy on your joints. Even brisk walking is beneficial. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. Section 5. Cardio in your day. Simple steps for a healthier you. Incorporating cardio into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. You don't need a gym to incorporate cardio into your day. There are many simple and effective ways to get your heart pumping without any special equipment. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. This small change can significantly boost your cardiovascular health over time. Walk or bike to work or run errands. Not only does this help you stay active, but it also reduces your carbon footprint. Park farther away from your destination and walk the rest of the way. This is an easy way to add more steps to your day without much effort. Take breaks throughout the day to stand up and move around. Stretching or a quick walk can refresh your mind and body. Even small amounts of activity throughout the day can add up. Every step counts towards a healthier you. Make it a habit to be more active in your daily life. Consistency is key, and these small changes can lead to big improvements in your overall health and well-being. Engage in fun activities with family and friends. Playing sports or games can be a great way to stay active and enjoy quality time together. Set reminders to move. Sometimes we get so caught up in our daily tasks that we forget to take breaks. A simple reminder can make a big difference. Remember, the goal is to make physical activity a regular part of your life. The more you move, the better you'll feel. Section 6. Consistency is key, making cardio a lifestyle. Consistency is more important than intensity when it comes to cardio. It's not about how hard you push yourself in a single session, but rather how regularly you engage in these activities. It's better to do moderate intensity cardio regularly. This means finding a pace that you can maintain over time, rather than exhausting yourself in one go. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio per week. This can be spread out in a way that fits your schedule, making it easier to stick to. This can be broken down into 30 minutes, 5 days a week. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. If you feel tired, it's okay to take a break or slow down. Don't push yourself too hard, especially when starting. It's important to build a foundation first. Start slow and gradually increase your pace and duration. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. As your fitness improves, you can challenge yourself more, but always within your limits. Remember, every little bit counts. Even small increments in your routine can lead to significant health benefits over time. Make cardio a part of your lifestyle for long-term health benefits. Incorporate it into your daily routine, whether it's a morning jog, a lunchtime walk, or an evening bike ride. The key is to make it a habit that you enjoy and look forward to.